Not really sure what's going on, but these little roosters, they keep backing up. It started like a couple hours after I got them. They just back up and put their butt up against something, and they're not moving forward. So I separated this one because I noticed it the most. And see how he's sticking his feet out forward? And he'll like stabilize his, here buddy, he won't get up. He's just flapping his wings and trying to get up. He won't do it. Here, put him on the towel. Let's see if he's on the towel and not slipping. What you doing, buddy? How come you're over there? What you doing over there? Come here. Hi, cutie. Hi, cutie. Hi. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hey, handsome. Food. Just try to get them the vitamins in you, baby. And get the vitamins in. You're so cute. Look at you eating all by yourself, huh? You're just doing such a good job, huh? And you got your special water. So he has selenium and poultry cell, vitamin B complex, and I also poured it over his food, which he is eating nicely. So hopefully he's not throwing his wings out like he was yesterday to balance. He's actually getting up on his feet a little bit. There, look at you. Are you a big boy? Look at you walking a little bit. Yeah. Here, get some. Yeah, do. Good boy, and water too. Get a drink. Look at that big baby. Look at that sweet baby. Woohoo! Yay! So much better. He just has to get that confidence back up, I think. Yeah. He can walk back and forth to his food and water now. That's a good boy. Do you want some? Come on, come here. Boop, 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 boop. What you doing?